Hello. I'm going to show you how to go through the registration process, how to fill the online application for the registration. Firstly, click on the register. Undergraduate, if you ever registered at UNISA, yes or no? Do you know your student number? Yes or no? If you do, period test, your date of birth. You select next. Then here, select the qualification that you have been admitted to study for. Student number, title, surname. Here you just written fill address, email address, not your personal email address. My life email address, which starts with that student number at my UNISA, at mylife.unisa.ac.za. Okay, here, if you want your study material to be delivered by courier, here you select courier and select the addresses. If you want to go personally to any of the UNISA centers, then you select that option. Country of birth, date of birth, disability, if you are not disabled, is in any home cell phone number, work fax, email address again. Okay, country, postal address. Here make sure that you have the correct address that they will be able to deliver study material to. Okay, if you have selected the courier options, then you come here indicating office at which could prefer you to go for administrative and learner support activity. You select your nearest UNISA center here. Access to study to laptop. If you have, you select access to study to desktop. Select access to data. You select. Please select an option on how you plan to pay for your studies. If it's NSAS application, you select NSAS here, and then those are the main important things that you should not miss. Okay, display method for study units. You select if you want them by list study units, but for your qualification, or if you need code to your even the descriptions, then you select yes. Next, study unit you wish to register for. First year student, first level. Second year student, level 2, so on so forth. And then after selecting the modules that you want to pursue, you select next, and then when you're done with your application, and then you get this message that the registration is successful. And I tell you the date of the submission, total fees, minimum fee due, and the total credits. 10 modules per. If your modules are semester modules, then you have to take 5 modules. First semester 5 modules, second semester. Thank you very much. Please don't forget